Hi everyone, my name is Mireya. For this video, I'm going to be sharing with you another from house to home cleaning organization video. I'm going to be sharing with you how I clean my pantry. It's one of the places that I don't clean as often, and I know that for this new year, I have to try and keep it up, try to clean a little bit more. Every time that we go grocery shopping, I'm going to try and give it a quick look through and throw what's expired out. I'm going to be showing you a deep cleaning on how I deep clean my pantry, what products I use, what I do to keep it clean. So if you'd like to see how I clean my pantry, just keep on watching this video. Okay guys, so this is what my pantry looked like before, and it's quite a mess. Every time that I would go grocery shopping, I would just stuff everything inside without even cleaning or taking what doesn't work or the empty boxes out. Over time, everything gets cluttery. First thing that I like to do whenever I do a deep cleaning is I always like to start out with an empty pantry, or wherever I'm cleaning, I like to empty everything out. So that's what I did with my pantry. I emptied everything out, and it takes quite a while. This is what takes the longest, I think, out of cleaning, just emptying everything out. It's gonna be so much worth it, because not only are you gonna be taking everything that doesn't work out or throwing it away, but you're also gonna be cleaning your pantry. So that's what I did, took everything out, and that was very time consuming. And I always like to do a little dance. I like to listen to music while I'm cleaning, because I feel like it makes everything so much fun and time goes by so much quicker. Once everything is emptied out in my pantry, what I like to do is I like to sweep. And in the bottom is where I keep my potatoes, so that's why it looks like it's all dusty in the bottom, because that's all the dirt from the potatoes. Let me just show you real quick what everything looked like once I took everything out of my pantry. It looked like I was moving out of my house. I always feel like my pantry is not that big, but once you take everything out, it's like, oh my goodness, I have a lot of stuff. Once I cleaned, swept, and mopped the floor to my pantry, what I do next is I like to clean with my homemade cleaning spray. What it is half a cup of vinegar, half a cup of water, and a few drops of Dawn dish soap. I spray everything, and sometimes I leave it just for a couple of seconds just so it absorbs a little bit, and I'm able to clean it with my cloth a little bit better. Sometimes there's stuff that's sticky on, that is real sticky, and that helps everything get removed easily. Sometimes while I'm cleaning, I like to sweep and then I mop, but this time I waited to mop because another thing that I like to do is I like to spray my cleaning solution onto the floor because I feel like it helps remove, like I said, all of that dirt and anything that's sticky onto the floor. I feel like this cleaning solution really helps remove all of that gunk. So after that, I mopped. Once I have mopped, I put a fan because I wanted everything to dry so much faster. Once I am finished with all of that, I'm going to be putting all of my food back into my pantry, all of my cans, but I'm going to be doing it just little by little because I do want to make sure that I put everything that is not expired in my pantry. And I did buy this cream and it was expired. I don't know why I let it expire. Whenever I would go to the store, I would buy a new one and I would put it back into my pantry, not knowing that I already had one and I never used it. So that one expired, so I'm going to be tossing that out. Everything that's going to expire soon, I'm going to be placing that in the front. That way, that's the first things that I use first. I'm going to be using this organizer that I purchased, and I really love this organizer because you can put your cans. Not only will you be able to fit a few cans in your pantry, but this organizer really helps keep everything organized, all of your cans, and you're able to store a lot more cans in just one of the cabinets. Now for the bottom, what I'm going to be putting is in this other organizer. I put all of my K-cups for my coffee, and then I put another organizer. I have a few different things, soups, and my other organizer I have oatmeal. I also keep my tea, my green tea here, and some of the K-cups as well. I like to keep things organized. In one of my other organizers, I'm going to be putting junk food or cookies, treats, things like that. So I'm going to be putting these barritas in there. In the organizer in the middle, I'm just going to be putting Mexican candy treats or junk food, how you would call it. For the top part, that's where I like to keep my oil, my olive oil. And for the top part, way at the top, what I like to do is I like to put my cereals way at the top, but I'll be showing you a little bit later. I'm going to be putting this other organizer that I have, and this is where I like to keep my bread. Most of the time, this is where I put my bread, or sometimes I put a couple different things in here, but it really helps with the space in a small pantry. Like you see here, I put all of my cereals in boxes. Some of them, or 3 of them, are in these other organizers that I purchased on Amazon. I'm thinking of purchasing a couple more just so I don't have to keep everything in the boxes. And this is what it looks like, guys. This is the best that I could do, I guess, in organizing. At least I know where everything is. And I like that it keeps things in place. So I'm gonna try and keep it this organized. In the bottom, I have some different organizers where I keep my flour, rice, beans, chilies, and all kinds of other things here. And for the other wire organizers, I put my potatoes in here. So this is what it looks like as of now, and I'm hoping to keep it this way for a long time. So every time I go grocery shopping, I'm gonna try and keep it clean and just put what is needed into this pantry. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and to turn your notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.